Hi guys, today we're going to be unboxing the Lego Seasonal Halloween set. It is set 40122 and it has 133 pieces. So here's the front of the box. And the back has this nice easy open tab here. Comes with a skeleton. I love skeletons. I don't know why. Just like them. Especially the old style ones with the wiggly arms. But I think this is probably a new style one. Got a bag of parts there. There's the trick-or-treater's torso. Another little bag of parts. There's that red spider. There's the broom. I love the color of the trick-or-treater's legs, that blue color. Skeleton. Oh, we got a couple loose plates. Some 4x8 in dark green. And then our book. Just the back. Shows you the Thanksgiving set. And the parts. Alright, so we've got instruction book, 2 loose plates, and 3 bags of parts. That's what's in the box, and thanks for watching.